YouTube just announced that starting mid-June 2023, they will be expanding the YouTube Partner Program to more creators with lower eligibility. So for you to be eligible for this new monetization threshold, you need 500 subscribers and you must have uploaded at least 3 videos publicly on your channel in the last 90 days. And you must have reached either 3,000 public watch hours on your long form videos in the past 1 year or reached 3 million public short views in the last 90 days. This means when you reach the lower threshold, you will have access to monetization features that will enable you promote your product on YouTube Shopping. Also, you will gain access to YouTube funding features like super thanks, super chats, super stickers, and channel memberships. You will also have access to YouTube creator support. And this one single feature makes YouTube stand out among other social media platforms. When you have problem, you have someone to talk to. The new lowered monetization threshold is being rolled out to creators in the US, UK, Canada, Taiwan, and South Korea. But why no African country? Why?
It is what it is. It is what it is.
Anyways, the new threshold is expected to be rolled out to other countries in the coming months. So you can go to your YouTube Studio end page and click the email me button to get notified when it reaches your country. One good thing about this new eligibility is that when you are accepted into the monetization program, you don't need to fully reapply when you reach the higher 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hours or 10 million short views. The remaining monetization features will be activated automatically. Now, the difference between the new monetization threshold and the former is that with the new monetization threshold, you won't be able to earn from ads placed on your videos, and also you won't be able to earn through YouTube Shorts. With the new monetization threshold, you will only be eligible to earn through YouTube Shopping and YouTube funding features that I mentioned earlier. You can see that monetizing your content on YouTube is getting a lot easier. With just 500 subscribers, you can get funding from your YouTube community and also promote your product with YouTube Shopping. From your feedback in our community, 32% of you have less than 1,000 subscribers, and I'm very sure that a good number of you will make it to the new monetization threshold when it finally gets to you. Let me know what you think about this new monetization threshold. Is it a big deal, or is it as difficult as the previous one, or it doesn't make any difference? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and also give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful. Subscribe if you haven't so that you can get updates on this new development. And if you need help on how to apply for YouTube monetization, watch this video, it will be helpful. And remember to join me this Friday as I hang out with you on this week's live stream. We'll be discussing about this new development and many more at 7 p.m. West African time. See you then.